The weighted mean is the mean of a data set whose entries have varying weights. This would look like for x equals of x times So rather than making you guys write out that whole example, I wrote it out for you. And we are going to create a table. Okay, so we're going to have 6 rows and 4 columns. Test, midterm, final, lab, homework.
What's the bottom one say?
Just homework. Okay, so reading our problem. You're taking a class in which your grade is determined from 5 sources. 50% for your test mean, 15% for your midterm, 20% for your final exam, 10% from your computer lab work, and 5% from your homework. So we're going to put those weighted percents in the weight column. So if it's 50%, how would we write that in decimal form? 0.5. For the midterm, it's 15%, so we'd write 0.15. 0.2, 0.1, and 0.05. Now in the score column, it said your score was 86 for the test mean, so we're going to put 86 here. 96 for the midterm, 82 for the final exam, 98 for the computer lab, and 100 for the homework. Now if you don't have a calculator, I recommend you going to get one, please.
Isn't it nice that she wrote the whole problem for you?
Yes. This one? Easy touch me. Is it because it said that I was touching you, so I buzzed you and then I never.
Okay, so in this column, weight times score, we're multiplying the weight of 0.5 times 86.
So here's something that I really like to do, which I suggest that you do too. It helps them be accountable and pay attention. Put their initial by different things, and then they can tell you what it is. So put a T next to this one for Trey to do this one, and a D, P, C. We'll put a T on the bottom. And then maybe Chevelle can do the adding up when they're done.
Okay.
Is everybody rolling in? Does everybody understand what you're doing right now?
No.
Yes. So you're taking the weight.
Times the score.
Times the square.
Every time I do that, there's always one kid who's like, okay, so what's going on right now? And I'm like, oh.
Do you write?
Sometimes it's just because I caught them in just a moment of being 1 second behind, and sometimes it's because they've been daydreaming me. What were you asking?
Nothing.
I'm homework, right?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
43.
14.4.
14.4.
16.4. 9.8.
Okay.
5.
5. Yes.
Chevelle, could you add all those up for us?
88.6.
The 8.6 is correct. So what was the final grade? The student got 88.6%.
Like
Should
B
be a
plus?
B plus.
Yeah.
Okay, now going back and looking at this, look up. They got an 86% on their test, right? 96 on their midterm, 82 on their final exam, 98 on their computer lab, and 100% on their homework. But like, remember, the homework is only 5% of your grade, right? So that should be counted for less. Does this feel right?
No.
About a B plus? What would feel wrong?
An F.
Right, if you got an F, or what else?
102.
102%, or even something like a C. I mean, their lowest grade in this class was an 82%, a B minus. Their highest grade was an A. So definitely the answer is somewhere between a B minus and an A, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so keep an eye on the problem you're doing, because sometimes we get a little math blind where we're doing a problem and the answer we get is the answer we get, and we never check back and see if it's correct.
Okay. We're going to do this chart. This.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And whoever volunteers can get a prize
I'll do it.
to make up data.
I'll do it.
Trey?
So we need to know. Let's move it up. The number of cats in Lewiston.
Per household.
I'll read it.
We're going to need you to make up some data for us. Think you can make something up?
Do I need 4 columns?
You need 3 columns,
So I need 2 lines.
and then 7 rows or 6 rows. I don't know how many we did.
For AP, we did.
That's because they had a midpoint, but we don't need a midpoint. Just the number can be fine.
Okay, so should we do 6 rows?
Sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm. Bubbler smells pretty good. Are they good?
Yeah, they give me an extra boost of caffeine.
Would you drink it if there wasn't caffeine in it?
I don't know. Maybe.
So on top of this column, write X, because that's our data point,
X. Frequency.
and leave the final one blank right now.
So should I write these as classes, or can I write them as like 0,
Write them as
1,
numbers. 0, 1,
2, 3, 4,
4, 5.
5.
All right, so Trey, we're trying to make the middle column, the frequency column, add up to 100 households. So out of 100 households, and you might want to scoot your vision down a little bit. Out of 100 households, how many households in Lewiston would you estimate realistically have 0 cats in their house? Out of 100.
Out of 100? 75.
75 for 0.
5.
And if you're thinking like in the 5 category, we'll count like 5 plus, so more cats than that. How many households do you think has 1 cat? I'm trying to get these to add up to 100. I'm glad you're taking this seriously. 10.
10.
How many cats do you have at your house, Trey? Trey, how many cats do you have at your house? 4. So you'd be in the 4 category. How about you, Dylan? 2. 3. 0.
1,
1.
0.
0. I've got 4.
1.
1.
My cat is gonna, the baby cat's probably gonna
Okay, so it's probably 3. But let's,
There's 3 babies.
you're going from 4 to 1, you're guessing? Okay, all right. Well,
All the babies here run away.
are you comfortable with your 75 at 0, or do you want to change that?
I'm comfy.
Okay, how about you? 3?
What number is that?
I think you're at 90.
We're at 90.
90. For 3, I'm gonna put,
It's unlocked.
I'm gonna put 2.
That's how you're gonna walk in the door. Okay, did we decide how many cats? How many households have 3 cats? 2? How about 4?
Isn't it already over 100? Wait, no, it's not.
1.
And 5?
And 5. Leave the rest. I think it's like
7?
That's too.
It doesn't?
Yes, it does. Yeah, that's 85.
Does it? 85, 90, 92, 93.
You didn't add the 7. You didn't add the 7 here. Yeah, I just said 75. You did. Oh, the 7 at the bottom. No, I know, I realized that. No, I get it now. Shh. What's the cat? No, I thought that.
She needs to come back because, guys, I don't know what I'm supposed to do next.
That's okay. What are we trying to figure out? We need buzzers.
We're doing this, like,
It took a really long time to think about.
finding the mean of a frequency distribution. And she's changing it up from AP stats, so.
Well, that's our own big thing.
We haven't gotten very far.
The door handle's stuck down. But we're skipping so much time.
Okay,
Okay.
before I move forward, I didn't want to move forward in the wrong direction. We're multiplying these,
Yep.
right? Okay, and there's 6 rows. Perfect. Everyone gets one.
Okay. Does everybody know why we're about to multiply them?
To get the percent.
No.
No, like, wait, what are we multiplying?
So we're trying to find the average right now.
Yeah.
So here's what you can't do. Let me explain why. You can't say 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 6. Because which category is weighted the most?
5 plus.
No.
0.
Zero.
You put 75 households in the 0 spot. Do you see what I mean? So if we made this list right now, look up at me. If I made this list right now, I'd have to write 0 75 times. Would you guys like me to do that?
No.
For sure?
Yes.
Okay, so instead of writing 75 zeros, we could just do 0 times 75.
Which is zero.
And instead of writing 10 ones, we could just do 1 times 10. Do you see how the multiplying column just does it faster for us over here? Okay, so go ahead, assign people.
Trey, Dylan, Peyton, Casey, Taya, Chevelle.
0.
Wait, so do I just do 5?
Hey, great job not putting that in your calculator. Yeah, just 5.
Just 5.
Done. Done. 6.
Yeah,
And 4.
How would you do 5 plus times 7?
we're just going to count it as 5.
35.
If you ever have a range, you can always take the midpoint and use that, but we don't really have a range.
So now we got to add this up.
65.
20, 55, yeah, 65.
65. So now we take this, divide by
Mm-hmm.
this. We're going to take 65. 65 divided by 100 to get you the mean.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So that's a really small.
0.65.
That's a really small.
That's because most households have less than 1 cat, according to Trey. And it's an average, so it can be a decimal.
So this is what we were trying to find.
So let's talk about what 0.65 means. Casey, tell me what 0.65 means.
That is the average number of cats.
Per household in Lewiston, according to Trey. Do you guys think he's right?
No.
Do you think it's like a lot higher or a little higher?
A little higher.
A little higher, right? You got some of those cat crazy people who have like 8 cats in their house, or 4 cats where 3 babies are about to run away. And then you have some people that have 0 cats, like Casey
And Taya.
and Taya.
I'm allergic to cats.
Are you really?
Yeah.
You allergic to dogs?
Yes.
That sucks.
I have a dog though. I do actually.
Do you have to take medicine every day, or did you get like one of the dogs with really short hair?
No, they're like hypoallergenic.
Oh, nice. According to Trent. All right, I think we gave you the homework assignment yesterday, right?
Yeah.
And now you should be able to do 41 through 44. So right now you've got a full